wrapping up day 1, I'd like to give an additional information na nalaman din namin eventually na naglibot kami while looking for the cellphone signal na meron palang small village dun sa kabilang side. Yun yung may Pacific Ocean side. Since yung island dalawang ocean yung kanyang kinaliligiran o baliktad. Na meron dalawang ocean na nagliligid dun sa island na yun. Now, well, we had a good night. Not sleep, but because we had a good food. Tapos, laro pa kami ng few games bago matulog. And now, we're off to day 2. Yung day 2, yun yung medyo interesting part, especially yung morning. You'll know why. I'm going to give you a few clips about it and where they are. Hi, so we're still in Balagos Island and it's already Sunday morning. And there's Lady Luxury with us. Sobrang lakas ng hangin air. The station over. As you can see, there's everything. Parang nakakatakot yung loob, diba? Pero it's pure wind. Sobrang hangin lang talaga. It's been like this since 12 in the morning. And tapang na lang yung dilaan sa amin. Para makatulog kami. Walang araw ngayon. For the second day. We were hoping na sana we could do some beach frolicking sa us. Anyways, I'll show you what happens outside. This is just the package inside the box. So this is what our beach looks like right now. This is Calagos Island. And the very, 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 very strong wind. Kaya malakas ang island. Actually, going to as a video for the Survivor Philippines Season 3. We could post na experience na namin yung Survivor type. Kasi lakas ng hangin. Feel namin yung pagiging Survivor dito sa island. May pagkain pa naman kami up until lunch hour. And these are our tents. So we help make this tent. So ito yung isa. We have 4 Ito yung pangalawa. Ito yung pangatlo. And this is the 4th one. Ganun kasagawa namin. Buong gabi. Ako yung isa namin kasama. Yung isang nasa tent kasi kinahinat na ng kanilang today. Sadly. There is the second day of our Calagos Island trip. So, it looks like more of a Survivor episode. And hoping na makauwi kami. Hoping ngayon. Buti walang pasok bukas. Sandra, sino sa tingin mo ang hindi worthy na mag-stay pa sa island?
Anak mayaman siya. Hindi niya kaya.
RV is a Survivor Island Calagos version. Sino ang ibo ko? Si John.
Nagawa niya na yung farmers niya. Naligtas kami ng gabi yung talagang malakas na. Kaya wala na siyang purpose.
Sherry. Joke lang. Miss Sherry.
Yes, te. Yes, te.
Ngayong araw sa Survivor Island, Calaguas City. Malaman kung sino ang iyong i-vote out.
Si Joanne.
Bakit si Joanne?
Pagkasunduan na natin na si Joanne.
Ayun na lang sa
dahil
si Joanne.
dahil masyado siyang nahihirapan sa isla.
Maraming salamat. Atin naman pong kakausapin si Gail Soriano.
Tigno. Soriano talaga. Ano si Tigno? Single ako kaya.
Kasi nasa video yan. Gail, sino sa tingin mo ang ilang matanggal? Survivor Island.
Bobby na po yung kinakayanan ng
Maraming salamat. Joanne, sino yung iboboto?
Ako sarili ko. Hindi ko na talaga kaya. Hindi ko na kaya.
Hindi mo na kaya. Maraming salamat.
Ay, wala.
Wala na. May tent nila, nilipad na nasa mountains na.
Wala na. Lugi ko yung tent.
After such an eventful weekend in the island, we bid farewell, pero may humabol pang isang adventure for us. Nung sumakay kami sa bangka, we experienced something na, again, we didn't expect. So, makikita niyo sa clip is yung post sakay namin sa bangka. Nakikita niyo po, alis na kami. Wala actually dock. So, ang ginawa namin, pinilit namin umakyat dito sa mga
Against the wind.
wood na yan. Ito ang mga itsura namin nung ipilit kaming umakyat. At si Gail, itong naka-pink, ito pinakamataba. Hindi namin mabuha. Then pumunta kami sa Daet. Doon kami namili ng mga pasalubong. So, ang masasuggest ko talaga sa inyo para bumili kayo ng pasalubong sa may area na yun is try the Pili Tarts. They're good. And also, meron sila din yung I'm not sure if it's a roasted siopaw. Yung siopaw niya kasi, kung familiar kayo dun sa loob ng putok, yung binibenta sa mga ordinary na bakery, yun yung ginamit niyang bread instead na yung ordinary breading na ginagamit for siopaw. Yung kulikutan, hindi yun. So, mukha siyang putok. Actually, pinaputok din siya na siopaw. And it was quite good din. Siguro, parang ano lang yun eh, parang yung orange empanada ng Ilocos. You have to eat it while it's hot. So, after that, punta na kami ng Bagasbas Beach. At yung kami surfing. Ang surfing sa Bagasbas Beach ay mainam sa mga beginners and intermediate surfers kasi yung waves doon hindi ganun kataas tsaka hindi ganun nakakatakot. Well, I'm not sure kung ano itsura niya sa ibang months pero nung pumunta kami okay talaga siya for beginners and mababait din mga instructors. And with that, I'm sure our group had a very memorable weekend and hopefully we can do something like this in the near future. So, thank you for watching. I'm not sure if you enjoyed it, but if you do, you can send money to my BPI account or you can send Gcash